Happy holidays from Chimpunga!
We'd like to thank all of you for your contributions and support this year. From all of the chimpanzees at Chimpunga and the staff, we give you our thanks from the bottom of our hearts, and we wish you all the best in 2009. Thank you!